Hey, what's up? Today, or what did we do?
What are we gonna do today? We're gonna go to the Wayback Time Machine,
right? And then we're gonna see where the road takes us in the city. Because I mean, who doesn't like riding around in city traffic?
Riding season has finally arrived. So let me show you something. Last time we talked to you, there was a lot of snow on the ground, and now a little bit there, but it has melted significantly. The weather is warming up rapidly.
Yeah.
And so we got a chance to go on a real ride and try out these new cameras. So we're gonna take you with us. What are we gonna do today?
Today, or what did we do?
What are we gonna do today? We're gonna go to the Wayback Time Machine.
Right. Today we are headed into the city. We're gonna go to Ugly But Honest. We're gonna pick up the fuel tank for the chopper.
Yeah. And
that's done, so we don't have to worry about any fuel leaks, which is exciting because that means we're gonna give it another whirl and fire it up, and then we're gonna see where the road takes us in the city. Because I mean, who doesn't like riding around in city traffic?
So come on the ride with us. And it wasn't warming up there very much.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, it just started to get better.
All right, man. Let's do this.
All right, we're at Ugly But Honest. Had to pick up the chopper tank. They the chopper gas tank. They welded and air tested it for leaks, because when we tried to start it, we found that pinhole leak, so that's all taken care of. Unfortunately, a filter broke off inside one of the fittings, so now I got to get that figured out, but that's not that big of a deal. So now we're going to head over to Harley-Davidson. Got some exciting potential news here. We have a legitimate buyer for the Softail coming this afternoon. He's a kid I've known for a long time, and he wants to start riding. He wants to join the Wrench and Ride Nation. And so if he buys the bike today, then we'll have another guy to ride with, another guy to wrench with. We're really looking forward to that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Plus, it closes the chapter on the Softail with Kevin and I. Both of us have owned that bike. We've done a lot of work on it, and now we get to pass it on to someone else. And it begins the next chapter, which we're going to call Performance Bagger.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, stay tuned, man, because it's coming. There is lots going to happen. We got engine builds happening. We got exhaust changes. We've
body work.
Yeah, for sure.
It's going to be good.
So, yeah. We got new rims and tires. Lots of things.
Lots of things. Yep.
Yeah.
So we're going to do an oil change today on the Softail. Bike's up on the lift. Get it ready. I've charged the battery. It's ready to go. And hopefully, like I said, that sells. And the next thing that we're going to try to do is start the Triumph, because we'll have that tank, and we have the tank. I got mystery magic oil in it overnight to fully test it, make sure it was air tested before I picked it up. I wanted to make sure there was no leaks. 24 hours now, no leaks. So I think we're good to go. We did talk to Ugly But Honest, and they gave us their honest opinion, which was to get a liner for it, and not a very specific kind of liner that will be equivalent to an OEM OEM grade should last for
20
years.
Yeah.
Another $400 to do that, but I think it's well worth it. So in the meantime, we can put fuel in the tank. We can get it all hooked up and try to start it. We will share a separate video on our second attempt of starting it.
Yeah. We learned a little bit.
Yeah.
There's a difference between tickling and diddling. The little nibs for priming.
It's all wrong.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for coming on our with us on our first inaugural ride where we recorded. I hope you enjoyed that footage. And keep if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do so you can keep up to date with all the things we're up to.
Yeah, absolutely. And hit the like button.
Yeah, and keep wrenching, keep riding.